Welcome back, lawn lovers. Spring is here, so let's take care of some winter leaves. It's March 30th today, and all the snow is finally gone. That gives me a chance to take care of all of these leaves that have fallen over the winter. Once they're out of my way, I can get to work on the snow mold damage. What is it with oak trees and the way they refuse to drop their leaves in the fall like most other trees? Do they think they're special or something? Well, at least the windy days of spring tend to push them all up against the fences for me. That makes it a little bit easier since I don't have to gather them up myself. Now all I really have to do is load them into the bin. I'll have my trusty leaf blower with me just in case I need to round up a few mavericks. The first load is the easiest because all I have to do is rake them into the bin. After that it gets a little bit harder because I have to lift them into the bin. I have a large piece of cardboard that I like to use to do that, and that works pretty well. Look, there's even still some ice under the leaves in the corner. I decided to blow the leaves off the renovation so that I wouldn't damage the new grass by raking it. On the right side of the fence you can see all the snow mold damage I had this year, and on the left side of the fence you can see last fall's renovation. That has some thickening up to do this year, but at least it escaped most of the damage from the snow mold. The recycling bin only holds so much, so now I'm left with these paper lawn bags. They don't hold as much, and of course I have to buy them. I also had to buy one of these crazy orange plasticized cardboard bag holder openers to use them. If you need to buy one, get two, because you can use one of them to pick up the leaves with, just like I'm doing with the piece of cardboard that I'm using. That's something I didn't even think about until I made this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video notebook. And remember, you can do it. Whoops, some fell out.